Hello, everyone. I want to teach you how to trade on TrendTicker, how to manage your portfolio, grow your balance, participate in weekly trading, climb the weekly leaderboard, and withdraw your earnings. Okay, so let's begin. When you create an account on TrendTicker, this is your portfolio balance. You will get a free balance of $50,000. If you want to increase your balance, you can click on Refer and Earn. You can see where my mouse is pointing. When you click on it, you can copy your referral link and send it to people. When they register using your referral link, you will earn $10,000 for each referral. Now, let me teach you how to trade on TrendTicker. Let's start by trading on Cristiano Ronaldo. You can see our current balance is $9.3 million. When the website launches on January 2nd, if you click on Trade, it will take you to the trading page of the celebrity. You click the Trade button. This is all you have to do. If you want to trade and earn from Cristiano Ronaldo, enter the amount you want to invest. Let's say I want to invest $50,000. Okay, I've just bought shares in Cristiano Ronaldo. You can see the current price is now $794 million. You can track it from the chart here. Whenever someone buys shares from other accounts, the price goes up. If they sell, the price goes down. That's how it works. Now, let's see how you can earn from trading. If you have an active trade of $50,000 and people start buying, let's watch the price. The chart will rise or fall based on the activity. Okay, the chart just moved, which means the price didn't go down. In fact, it went up. When we bought our trade, Cristiano Ronaldo's price was $794 million, and now it is $797 million. This means the profit on our investment is $1.2 million. Let me sell it to secure the profit. If you have an active trade and people start selling, your profit will decrease. If people keep buying, your profit will increase. You can also trade on other celebrities as long as you have enough balance. Let me show you an example with Elon Musk. Click on Trade and it will take you to Elon Musk's trading page. Let's buy $5 million worth of shares in Elon Musk. The minimum amount you can use to trade is $1,000. After buying, Elon Musk's price increased slightly. Now we have an active trade of $5 million in Elon Musk. Let's monitor the price to see if it rises or falls. Okay, the chart just moved and someone sold their trade, which caused the price to fall. If you sell while the price is low, you'll incur a loss. Your profit or loss depends on the percentage change in the price. Profit increases by 30% of the amount you invest, depending on the amount that you'll enter. Increase the celebrity's price and decrease by 20% of the amount you invest, depending on the amount that decreased in the celebrity's price. Now let me sell the Elon Musk trade. As expected, we incurred a loss of $90,000. You can view all trade history, showing completed trades with their results, win or loss. For example, our trade on Cristiano Ronaldo earned us $1.2 million, while our trade on Elon Musk resulted in a loss. You can choose to sell trades anytime, as they don't expire. Next, let's check the weekly leaderboard. The leaderboard resets every Saturday at 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Note, the time displaying is the real time it will reset on the country you're using TrendTicker from. Only the top 1,000 traders with the highest profits for the week will be displayed. The top 20 traders will receive rewards in USDT. For instance, the trader ranked number 1 will earn 50 USDT, and the trader ranked number 2 will earn 40 USDT. Once the leaderboard resets, you'll have to start trading again to climb the rankings for the new week. You can withdraw your earnings in USDT by clicking on Withdraw. Enter your Tron Network USDT TRC20 wallet address, and your withdrawal will be processed successfully. You can use wallets like Binance, Trust Wallet, or any other crypto wallet. Lastly, if you have active trades on multiple celebrities, you can click on Active Trades to see all the celebrities you're currently trading on. You can also search for specific celebrities on the trading page. All celebrities on TrendTicker are available for trading, including The Weeknd, Andrew Tate, Burna Boy, Will Smith, John Cena, Justin Bieber, Eminem, and more. You can even trade on Lady Gaga by searching for her name. Keep in mind that prices fluctuate based on activity. Just like cryptocurrency, they can rise to very high amounts or fall significantly, depending on user trades. That's how to trade and earn on TrendTicker. See you in our next video tutorial. Bye for now.